Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, Data for All, by John K. Thompson.
Data for All is a primer that explores the history and impact of data on our daily lives. The book provides details and insights into why we hold the public perception that our data is owned by companies and not by us. The author provides and discusses ways for individuals to protect, manage, own, and monetize their data. When people create and share content online, there are consequences that are often overlooked. Data is sent over the internet and stored on multiple servers and routers, including information such as device IDs, file names, and file sizes. These artifacts can be and are, in many cases, stored indefinitely. Our online actions are permanently recorded and can be accessed later by a wide range of companies and individuals without our consent or knowledge. To make informed decisions, we must understand the consequences of our actions and the data we generate. We are responsible for our data and its life cycle and should be aware of potential misuse and abuse. By making conscious choices, we protect ourselves, our families, and our society. In the early 1920s, the data industry was largely shaped by Chicago-based firms like A.C. Nielsen. Arthur Nielsen created a new asset class and industry by convincing grocery stores to hand over their sales records for free. This led to data brokers like Information Resources Inc., IRI, Info USA, Experian, Axiom, and Epsilon, and established a precedent that data is not valuable and can be transferred without consent. In the late 20th century, Dunnhumby focused on loyalty and pricing in the FMCG and retail industries. Google, founded in 1998, gained popularity with its free search service. Its advertising-based business model resembles A.C. Nielsen's, using multiple sources of data. Although companies act as if they own our data, this is not the case. We have rights in relation to our data. Data is ours to own, protect, manage, and monetize. Our rights regarding our data have been eroded by history and indifference, but change is imminent. For example, Facebook has faced criticism for its disregard for humanity and potential to harm civil society. Leaders and thinkers are currently debating data's importance, seeking a new definition of its value and characteristics. Here are a few of the data is the new, fill-in-the-blank analogies. Sand, Tim O'Reilly. Sun, Bill Schmarzo. Gold, Chilidzi Marwala. Currency, Jane Barat. Plastic, Ved Sen. Bacon, Paul Browers. Future, Tom Davenport and Thomas C. Redman. Data is becoming a valuable currency, but the people creating the data are not obtaining the benefits. The future of data is approaching, and individuals will have the choice to take control of their data. Data for All explains and supports data and analytics, and stresses that data's future should not be constrained by its past.
Get this book at Manning.com